Atmosphère switch incorrect fusee version, Pro fixes of 2025. If you're encountering the incorrect fusee version error on your Nintendo Switch when using Atmosphère, follow these troubleshooting steps. 1. Update Atmosphère and fusee files. Why * mismatched versions between Atmosphère and fusee can cause errors. How *1. Visit the official Atmosphère GitHub page, https://github.com/atmosphère-nx/atmosphère/releases. 2. Download the latest Atmosphère zip file. 3. Extract the contents to your computer. 4. Copy the following folders to your SD card's root directory, replacing old files, Atmosphère/bootloader/ if using Hekate, switch/ if applicable, -2. Replace fusee.bin. Why * the payload fusee.bin must match the Atmosphère version. How *1. From the Atmosphère zip, locate fusee.bin. 2. Replace the old fusee.bin file in your payload launcher, such as Tigra RCMGUI or Hekate. 3. Inject the updated payload when booting into Atmosphère. -3. Update Hekate, if used. Why * Hekate needs to be compatible with the latest Atmosphère release. How *1. Visit the official Hekate GitHub page, https://github.com/ctker/hekate/releases. 2. Download the latest Hekate release. 3. Replace files in the bootloader/folder on your SD card. -4. Check SD card file system and corruption. Why * corrupted SD card files may cause boot failures. How * use a computer to run a disk check or error check. Ensure the SD card is formatted as FAT32 or XFAT, depending on your setup. -5. Ensure proper bootloader configuration. Why * incorrect bootloader configuration can prevent proper booting. How *1. Check the Hekate_IPL.ini file in the bootloader/folder. To ensure the fusee.bin payload path is correctly defined. Example, Atmosphère payload equals bootloader/payload/fusee.bin-6. Perform a clean Atmosphère installation. Why * leftover files from old versions can cause issues. How *1. Backup important data from the SD card. To delete old Atmosphère/bootloader/ and related folders. 3. Copy fresh Atmosphère and Hekate files from the latest releases. These steps should fix the incorrect fusee version error.